Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you can click on ChatGPT. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. And here if you find updates, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.